How to make flowers with paper? Folding paper flowers, 8 petals. Create these pretty 8-petaled paper flowers with just a few simple folds and cuts. We also have instructions for making 5-petal and 6-petal paper flowers. Supplies needed: paper, preferably thin or lightweight paper, scissors, glue. Make a paper square. Start out with a square piece of paper, preferably thin or lightweight paper. You can use square origami paper or follow these easy steps for making a square from any rectangular piece of paper. Fold diagonally in half. Fold the square diagonally in half to come up with a triangle. Fold in half. Fold the resulting triangle in half to make a smaller triangle. Fold in half again. Fold the resulting triangle again in the middle to come up with an even smaller triangle. Rotate. Unfold. Rotate the triangle so that the longest side is positioned vertically and the solid corner, the corner corresponding to the paper's center, is at the bottom. Bring the bottom short side towards the triangle's long side. Cut above the straight edge. Cut above the horizontal straight edge. Draw an arc and cut. Draw an arc starting from the top corner of the triangle's vertical side and ending about ½ inch from the bottom of the opposite side. This arc defines the shape of the flower petals. Cut along the arc. Unfold the paper. Carefully unfold the paper to reveal an 8-petaled flower. Cut out a circle from paper, felt, craft foam, or fabric. Glue this at the center of the flower. Make more flowers. We also have craft instructions for making other fold and cut paper flowers: 5-petal folding flowers, 6-petal folding flowers, 6-petal folding flowers with printable templates. Go for variety. Create a variety of flowers by using different colors, patterns and textures of paper. Also try varying the size and steepness of the arc in step 7 to come up with interesting flower shapes. Make creative petal shapes. The arc drawn in step 7 is actually just a basic half-petal shape. You do not need to stick to an arc. Try making slight variations, especially with the tip or upper portion of the petal. Layer 2 or more flowers. Glue together 2 or more flowers to come up with sunflowers, daisies, and other many-petaled flowers. Create a layer of leaves. Create a set of leaves by cutting green paper into a slightly larger 8-petaled flower. Glue this under 1 or more layers of 8-petaled flowers. Use the flowers for craft projects. Use the flowers to decorate greeting cards, scrapbooks, or your current craft project. Check out these flower craft ideas: basket of flowers, flower wreath. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please do subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to comment, like and share my videos. Thanks.